I need the world. And I'm taking it. It's mine. And it could be yours too. Lock the fuck in. Top of the morning, or the evening I should say. Hope you guys are all doing well. Well, swell. Oh well. Man, it's a fucking shitty day out, but what are you gonna do? You gotta be positive. Freaking 28 degrees. But the Lex loves it. She loves when it's cold. Freaking louder, faster, more responsive. I hate the cold, but I'm trying to condition my head to just forget about it. Nothing you could do unless I move out of here eventually. But we're about to go get some work in. I'm about to go run for the first time in like freaking 3 years. I hate running. And the thing I hate more than running is the cold. So I'm gonna go run in the cold by the water, where it's gonna be extremely windy. Sometimes you gotta really do the things that you just don't want to do whatsoever. That actually builds a part of your brain and makes it less intolerable and less sufferable to do harder things going forward. I'm just trying to stay busy, keep my mind preoccupied. But damn, this shit looks beautiful. This shit looks beautiful. Look at the freaking clouds over there. Yeah. Fuck it. Alright, I'm about to get this working, then get back in the car, make her start twerking on the highway. My way. Let's fly away. Shit, new year. New year, new me. Nah, seriously though, don't go into the new year doing the same bullshit, man. Today's the last day that today is gonna exist. Tomorrow, that's tomorrow. The past is gone. Fuck out of here. What am I doing right now? I don't even know. But damn, nature, you beautiful. You know, honestly, I think it's just cutting out substances that even made me come up with this fucking idea, because what the fuck am I doing, bro? I'll never be out here in the cold. Dolo, only one here. Like I'm fishing. But no, seriously, man, if you guys are addicted to anything, do yourself a favor and take a break, see if it changes your life. If it's not affecting you, fuck it. Get smacked, get high, get drunk. But I want more. I need the world. And I'm taking it. It's mine. And it could be yours too. Lock the fuck in. You want that shit, go chase it. Fuck out of here. Where's everybody now? Where's everybody when it's 20 degrees? Get out your comfort zone. Do something crazy with your life. Come on. You know, I'll go spend a day in nature like this, and it actually blows my mind and shocks me that this is what I don't do normally. Especially in a time where technology is so advanced and so freaking great for the user. Anything you want, anything you need, you basically have it at your doorstep, in your hand, everything. Food, items, delivery, everything. It's crazy. Every new TV show is catered. There's a niche for every single type of thing that people like. And I'm over here talking like I'm woke or something. Like the last freaking years, I haven't been doing absolutely nothing and just overindulging in bullshit dopamine. But there comes a time where you snap out of it or you just submit, and I can't submit. This is a lot more peaceful than sitting at home and looking at a fucking screen for 8 hours, which is what I do a lot. And you know, it's like you guys are watching my videos. I need you guys to watch, but after the video, I don't know, go outside or don't. It's okay. I'm just saying it feels good to be in nature and reset. It's peaceful. And if you are finding yourself stressed and overwhelmed and anxious, disconnect, man, I'm telling you. Disconnect. Go sober for a week. do some inner fucking thinking. I don't know, man. I'm not a fucking therapist, but I feel like I'm figuring some shit out.
Yeah. Fuck you, mean boy. God damn, she sounds so good. It's always the Kias, man. It's always the Kia boys trying to act crazy in traffic. With the Lexus boys. Boom! Hoo-wee! You know, I say this car is slow, but damn, that bitch felt fast. I can't imagine driving like fucking 800 horsepower like that. Holy shit. That's why we're not getting no 800 horsepower. We're getting the F80 M3 this year. I'm gonna bust my balls trying to get it as fast as possible. And the goal is to keep this car and get the F80. Because then I got 2 cars. More content. And I love this car. This will be the daily. And it's still a good ass daily. I just started recording. I don't even know why. I'm not driving fast. I'm not talking. I'm not listening to music. Although it's so nice and peaceful just to drive in silence. I do that far more than anything else. Like, yeah, it's a huge thing to blast music, but it's nice to be fucking quiet. And just in your own head, have thoughts, make noises. I sound like a fucking donkadonk. Fuck it. 99 will listen. 99% will listen. Only 1 will comprehend. I know you guys must hate seeing me use the paddle shifter and this. People be frying me in the comments. Downshifting with this one, upshifting with this one. I don't know. I can't figure it out. But it's working. Look at this guy. First time on the road. Looks like he's scared. Sometimes you just be nice. You know what I mean? He wants to turn out? Go ahead. Go. You got it, buddy. I'd be a nice guy. Take it easy, man. I think I'm gonna need a new spark plug soon. My shits are smelling a little funky. A little funky, yeah, bit. Yeah. Yeah. I just had to grab so much stuff from my freaking parents' house. I'm exhausted. Guys, I think I'm gonna cut it at that. It's been a freaking wonderful day so far. I appreciate you guys for watching. If you guys have anything that you want to see, any mods that you want to suggest, anything, let me know. Any type of style of videos, I'm all ears. I've just been jotting ideas. And that's about it, man. I appreciate you guys for watching. Happy New Year. Hope you guys accomplish everything you want to accomplish. Hope you guys are happy. Hope you guys get this fucking money. If you brush your teeth every day, if you wipe your ass every day, go get some fucking money every day. Love you guys. Till the next one. Peace.